Imagine getting funded with up to $4 million in trading capital. No upfront risk, no hidden tricks, just your strategy, and a solid prop firm backing you. But is it too good to be true? Today we're diving into WeGetFunded, a new player in the prop trading world making big promises and gaining attention fast. If you're a Forex trader looking to scale without risking your own capital, this review is going to be worth every second. WeGetFunded launched in 2022 with one mission: to provide real traders with real opportunities to trade large accounts, without the roadblocks. Founded by traders for traders, the firm has built a name around accessibility, solid trading rules, and serious capital scaling potential. Whether you're just starting out or already experienced, they've designed their system to adapt to different trading levels. WeGetFunded offers two main types of accounts: Classic and Ultimate, both with distinct rules and benefits. Classic Account Challenge, 1-phase challenge, daily loss limit, 5%, maximum drawdown, 12% profit target. 8% Ultimate Challenge, 2-phase challenge, daily loss limit, 4%, maximum drawdown, 6%, profit target, 10% in phase 1, 5% in phase 2. What's great is they give traders room to breathe. The drawdown limits are fair, and the 1-phase option is perfect for skilled traders who want to skip redundant steps. Here's where it gets interesting. WeGetFunded offers a scaling plan that boosts your funded account by 25% every 3 months, assuming you meet performance metrics and manage risk consistently. That means you could grow your account from $100,000 to well over $4 million over time. For serious traders with long-term discipline, that's game-changing. Not ready to dive in yet? They've got you covered with a free trial, something few firms do well. Here's how it works. You start with a simulated $100,000 account. The target? A 10% return. But you must stay within 5% daily and 12% overall drawdown limits. It's a great way to test their challenge environment, rules, and platform, all with zero risk. Perfect for beginners who want to learn the ropes, and pros who want to get a feel for execution speed and reliability. The trading is done on CT-Rater, a professional responsive platform known for lightning-fast execution. It's available on desktop and mobile, iOS and Android, so you can monitor or execute trades anytime, anywhere. Expect the essentials: tight spreads, fast order execution, clean interface, real-time position monitoring. This setup ensures you're focused on your trades, not struggling with laggy tools or clunky interfaces. So what about your profits? Withdrawals with WeGetFunded are simple and secure. You can withdraw through bank transfer cryptocurrency. The firm uses top-tier security protocols to ensure your personal data and funds remain protected, so you can focus on growing your account without worrying about back-end risks. WeGetFunded is designed for beginners who want to test their strategies risk-free, intermediate traders looking for structure and scaling, advanced traders seeking higher capital without giving up control. Whether you're looking to start your journey or level up your trading business, their flexibility and tools offer something for everyone. Pros: transparent and realistic trading rules, generous scaling plan, professional-grade platform, free trial available, fast, secure withdrawals, no hidden fees. Cons: currently limited to CT-Rater, no MT4, MT5. Still a relatively new firm, so long-term track record is limited. But overall, for a firm that launched recently, they're doing a lot of things right. So, is WeGetFunded the real deal? From what I've seen, they offer a fair, modern, and ambitious platform for traders who are serious about scaling. If you're looking for a prop firm that values transparency, risk control, and real growth, this might be the one to watch. Want to try them out yourself? Click the link in the description to join the free trial and see how your strategy holds up in their challenge environment. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts or answer your questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.